The present progressive tense.
The current progressive form is often overwhelmed by non-native English speakers.
It should be only used in the following context: to describe an incomplete graph that is currently running, usually with temporal expressions such as now, right now. During a phone call or email, we are currently discussing the project. Describe a plan or agreement in the near future, usually with temporal expressions like tonight, tomorrow, this week, this Monday. Jim is going to Brussels tonight. It expresses actions that are repeated regularly, usually with negative meanings and temporal expressions always or forever. Your husband always complains about his health. The present progressive is formed using am, is or are together with the ing present participle form of the verb. Subject, a form of be plus verbing, present participle. Rest of sentence. Negatives in the present progressive. When shortening a form of be and negative, just remove the o, is not, and add an apostrophe. Is not, isn't. Are not, aren't. The negative in the present progressive tense is created using am not, is not, or are not together with the ing form, present participle of the verb. Subject, a form of be plus verbing. Rest of sentence. I'm not working on that project right now. See you in another video in your channel Learn for Life.